the final semester.
Yeah.
Yes. So they got LOIs from companies like Amazon, Wipro, RBS, Google came. These are type of Lenskart, the new company that's come. They are in eyewear. So and the package take me the starting package was 3 to 3.5 lakhs. That's what they're paying. So I'm just saying a fresher who hasn't even worked for one day, who is not even passed his exam, he gets an LI for 3 to 3.5 lakhs, and you a BTech 4 years after 10 plus 2.
There is a recession.
I know.
There is a recession in mechanical industry from the last 5 to 6 years, from the 2013 itself.
So what we have to do is
that is the evergreen department.
I'm a mentor to my students also. That's what we have to do together today. And we got a high-powered panel waiting to speak to you. We have to reverse this trend. What's happened? And I'll give you 2 reasons why at this stage upskilling is required, and a good MBA degree will make all the difference. I'll give you 2 reasons for that. First is, China was the creator of the virus. They destroyed the world economy. And what has happened is India is in a tailspin. In fact, I'll call it a tailspin because we are going down. Our GDP growth this year would be -2%. That's what the best the rating agency have said. Okay. Now you go to the positive part. This is the negative part. Next 2-3 years are going to be the golden years as far as Indian economy is concerned. I teach this subject also in the second year. And tell you the reason why. Lot of foreign companies, American companies, Japanese, they're pulling out their manufacturing bases out of China. They don't trust China at all now. China is
they are shifting to India.
Yes. And if you read the Eco Times of 17th of July, 2 biggest contract manufacturers, Apple, have already shifted to India. You can check up on 17th July in newspaper, you can see Foxconn and Visitron have already shifted, and Pegatron is going to shift now. Yes. They have already set up a subsidiary in Chennai, and Tamil Nadu they start their manufacturing operations. So you can go on the basis that 50% all Apple iPhones in the world would now be made in India. So जो हमारे Prime Minister साहब का नारा है जो बेटा आत्मनिर्भर भारत, वो I think will become a reality. You have best of pharmaceutical companies are also shifting to India. Abbott Laboratories, you can just see they come into the world top 10 pharmaceutical. They're coming.
I know.
Abbott, you must have heard about. I need to tell you.
Yes.
So you just see that. So if that be so, Piyush, आपका ये जो 3.5 लाख जो है ना, मेरा ये मानना है, and take it from person who's worked for 40 years now in the education and corporates, 30 years in corporate, 10 years in education. That's the golden time. You have to cash on the opportunities, get into a good MBA college, do your upskilling. You are a BTech with excellent experience. मेरे ख्याल से admission आपकी problem नहीं होगी. We'll groom you, we'll build up your profile. I'll sign your letter of recommendation. I'll make your statement of purpose. We'll do everything for you. But you have to make a decisive change that you have to now go for upskilling. मेरे बहुत हो गया. कुछ यही टाइम है कि आपके पास 1.5-2 साल है, जबकि कंट्री अभी इस हालत में है. आपको अपस्किलिंग करके अच्छी डिग्री लेनी है और 1.5-2 साल के बाद अब देखिए कितना फर्क पड़ जाएगा. Because that's the time we need very good operations managers, managers for supply chain, managers for logistics. We need managers for marketing.
Yes.
There'll be a hell of a, and just see the amount of investment that Google is doing here, Walmart is doing here. And अभी अपने
everyone is investing.
Yeah, IBM का CEO के साथ में मोदी जी has a 1:1 video conference call. He is speaking to the CEOs himself. IBM. तो बेटा ये अभी जो time है, this is the best time for you to go for upskilling, get a good MBA degree, and please, जैसे मैं आपकी T-shirt देख रहा हूँ, it's a branded T-shirt. मेरे ख्याल में must be costing about maybe 1,500 or 2,000 rupees. कितने की T-shirt जो पहनी है आपने?
No sir, this is local. I mean
local
replica.
जो भी है. What I'm just saying is, you have to go to a. अगर पीयूष में अगर आप you're married, you're not married. What's your age by the way? Age कितनी है आपकी?
24.
Yeah, in Giridih, you're staying with your parents?
Yes, currently.
Okay. If your mother was to tell you just now, Piyush beta, just go to the market and get a toothpaste, or say, and get one packet of maybe 250 grams tea also. तो टूथपेस्ट मुझे जो लगता है, या तो आप क्लोजअप लोगे या कॉलेट लोगे, मुझे लगता है जो चाय अगर लोगे तो आप ग्रुप बॉन्ड लोगे, टाटा लोगे या लिप्टन लोगे. something like that.
Yes.
Am I right? Why haven't
Yes.
you got for some Bakri or maybe some Dabur paste or some Patanjali's maybe toothpaste? Because you're going for the right brand. And the good brand means trust, excellent after service, good quality.
Yes.
That is in a good college also. Trust, quality. Quality means
yes.
And service in terms of providing a good placement package and great alumni network. FMS has excellent alumni network, I must say. I meet my old friends who are 40 years back. हमने एक bench में बैठे थे, पढ़ाई इकट्ठे की थी, notes इकट्ठे बनाए थे. Because at that time we didn't have Professor Google also. If I had to get notes, I had to go to the library or
yes.
that professor.
Years back there is nothing.
Internet. Phones, we didn't have mobile phones. We didn't have Zoom sessions like you. I had no counsel.
Hello.
Vice President, and speak to you and guide you. Rekha ji, I would request to please guide Piyush Sinha for the second part of the session. And I think the boy is good. That's what I can see. Rekha ji, a very good afternoon.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, very good afternoon, Manchinder ji, and thank you once again for your wonderful words.
Thank you, Rekha ji.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, Piyush. कैसे हैं बच्चे आप?
ठीक है, ma'am.
Okay, Piyush, I'm very sorry. There's some bandwidth issues, so I won't be able to put my video on. But the voice will be there, and we will be talking. And in case you face some problem, just do notify. Okay.
Okay.
So Piyush, I believe you are from Jharkhand, and I was listening to the conversation, and you seem to be a very academically oriented person, I'll say. With just 24 years of age, you are very simple and dedicated person that I can see through your academic profile. So Piyush, one thing which is very, very important, we come across many candidates through Zoom sessions, I'll say. And most of the time, it's good number of students in one Zoom session. The reason being, you're talking to people with more than 30 years of experience in education industry, whether it is me, Manchinder ji, and some other people in the management, I'll say, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So Piyush, important is the conversation is very focused towards your future endeavors and you get the best, okay? Because important is your branding, which you should never compromise on, okay? So
Piyush, MBA degree, we should go for a good college.
Definitely, but my dear, you already have your engineering degree, and I regard engineers like anything because I know how pain you have to go through to crack 48 subjects in 4 years. It's not easy. So you've already gone through
practical examinations.
Right, with your practical examinations and the approach. But that is how you are groomed, and that is how you are successful. So Piyush, I have a few important concepts to be understood through you because that is going to help us in your profiling. So Piyush, your 10th, I can see the score, it is 90%. In which year you have cleared your 10th?
2011.
Perfectly okay. 12th is 91.8%. That was 2013. 13. So what were your subjects in 12th?
Science. Physics, chemistry, and math, PCM.
See, science is perfectly okay, Piyush. Even I am a science graduate and postgraduate. But we used to study physics, chemistry, maths, and biology, and there was no option. That is why I just wanted to confirm.
For the mathematics. I chose mathematics at that time. Physics, chemistry, mathematics.
Definitely. So you didn't have the option of bio, no worries. So coming to your Okay, so your graduation, your engineering program is 2014-17 batch, if I'm not wrong.
No, 13 to 17 batch.
Okay, sorry, it's 2013 to 2017. Perfectly okay. There is no gap in between?
Yes, no gap.
Okay, perfectly
Throughout my studies, there is no gap. In fact, in the job itself, I joined early, not with the gap.
Okay, that is really good. And when we say engineering program, you didn't try for your mains through the entrance examinations for IITs and NITs, I'll say?
No, I applied for, means I go through the gate, but didn't crack that. It's the cutoff.
Okay. Okay, perfectly. Okay, no worries. So Amity University is your university for your engineering program, right?
Right.
Rajasthan, perfectly okay. And you're working in Neemrana with some Japanese private limited firm, what you shared. So regarding this, what is important now, when exactly you started your job and how many years of experience you are having right now?
Currently, it's 2.5 years, and I
Okay.
started on 6th March 2017, before
Okay.
my graduation is completed.
Perfectly okay. So that is 2.5 years, right?
Right.
Okay. So now, Piyush, what is important? It's good to understand your academic scores and they are brilliant, I'll say. So now
Yes,
coming to
ma'am.
the next
Thank you.
phase, that is your extracurricular activities or achievements. So when I say extracurricular activities or achievements, always remember, Piyush, when candidates are applying for admission process India or abroad,
Yes, ma'am.
academics are pretty good for many candidates. What makes you stand out in the crowd and outshine is your extracurricular
Extracurricular activities.
certification. Yeah, because even if I talk of abroad or maybe good colleges in India, they're always getting good academic scores from many candidates. But what is more important, your sports, or maybe working with some social organizations, or maybe your debate,
NGOs.
drama, music, sports, NGOs, right? Very truly said. So what is important, Piyush? Do share with us if you have some certifications which you can prove in black and white. And Pratik, please
I
do
will be
make
very
notes of
honest.
that. Yeah, please. Yeah, yeah.
I will be very honest because I was not uh, so much into the extracurricular activities because I like more technical things. So I didn't go for any kind of NGOs, whatever say, but I have gone for the junkyard wars kind of things. But
So
that
in
was
this,
not too so many. That is
okay, so
also
the
very less.
right. So Piyush, in this regard, you were not towards many of the activities, but other
Yes,
than your academics, there might be some good internship, your projects, or maybe research
yes,
papers, something like that.
yes. I have gone through two internships, minor and major.
Okay, okay.
One is from SAIL and another is from hydropower plant. SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely, it's known. Yeah, hydropower
and the
plant,
another was
perfectly okay.
hydropower plant. Apart from that, there is one thing also. I got the scholarship in my first year of college. That you can say in the achievements or extracurricular whatever. And
You got
another is
scholarship in first year of your college, and what was the ground of giving you scholarship, and how much did you get?
I got 25%, and the ground was of 12th marks. On the basis the college was giving scholarship to them who has certain percentage and amount of the scholarship according to that marks.
So you have certification for this, right?
Scholarship.
Piyush, you got the scholarship. It's clear to me, Bache. What I'm telling is, you have certification for this?
No, man, there is no
Okay,
certification. They are
okay,
just
Piyush.
deducted in the fees.
Okay, so Piyush, what you should do, see, it's not one day affair. You should always reach out to your own university. You can coordinate with your HODs there and tell sir, and you can convey to them that I got 25% waiver as my scholarship in first year of my engineering program. So, sir, if I can get some good, appreciation certificate from college, that will help in my resume. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
This you can coordinate with your professors. It will help you in future. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Okay.
Because
Because
there should be a backup for any statement.
exactly there should be. So what else, Piyush, to be shared?
Sorry.
Any other achievement you would like to share? Some research publications during your engineering program?
We have made ourselves in the fourth year. We have done a project. Our team, me and the other three friends, we made a boiler, means a project that is necessary for a final year student. We made
Okay.
a boiler and did the project on the same. That
So
can be helpful if I can.
definitely, definitely. See, everything in your Piyush in your profile adds a value to it. Okay. So Piyush, now coming to the third aspect, your family. Tell something about your family and your siblings.
My father is a lawyer, advocate, and my mother is a housemaker. Apart from me, there are two sisters. One is a younger one, and another is the elder. The elder one, named Ekta Sinha, she is working in Cognizant from the past 4 years, and the other one, the younger one, Priya Sinha, she is working in Flipkart organization from the past 2 years.
Perfectly
So we are a
okay. So
family
it
of 5 members.
right, right. So it's good to understand that all your like both the sisters and yourself all are settled and it's good
Yes,
and everybody is working perfectly okay. So you have a good
yes, sir.
support system towards your parents also. And
Yes.
now coming to Piyush, the main aspect that is your aspirations. What exactly you want from this program 2 years down the line?
Basically, ma'am, I take the MBA degree as a managerial job. Means, it cut down the time from the executive to the managerial job, the time duration.
Perfectly
I
okay. And
take this as a managerial position.
okay, Piyush, it's India or abroad? Where do you see yourself after 2 good
India,
years? India.
India.
Why
Yes.
not abroad?
I was not very fond of going off abroad. Currently, it can be happen. It might change later, but currently I am not very fond of going abroad.
Okay. So Piyush, why I'm telling with great academic scores, you have good scope abroad. Okay. India is possible good institutions, but abroad also is possible and you can get good scholarships. And what is important, see, it's my prime responsibility to guide you what is going to be best for you. I'll not only go
Yes,
with,
ma'am.
the options which you are sharing. Maybe you are not sharing good options and we can give you best. Okay. सो व्हाट इज
Yes, ma'am.
इम्पोर्टेंट एंड ये
Definitely.
जस्ट 24 पीयूष बहुत छोटे हैं अभी आप और शायद
Hmm.
उतना एक्सपोजर भी नहीं हुआ है सो व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट आप बहुत सिंप्लिसिटी से अपने प्रोग्राम्स करते चले गए राइट सो
Yes.
नाउ कमिंग टू द मेजर बिकॉज इट see your MBA program is something which is going to give you great branding so you should never
Yes, and
compromise
exposure
on
also at the
branding
same time.
component yes very important and when I say branding how exactly it is correlated you're looking for jobs in great placements in MNCs, right? And you don't
Right.
go with your global exposure. So if you don't want to get global exposure, why you are expecting good and great jobs? Okay.
Uh,
So ultimately, being an engineer and just compromising with 3 to 4 LPA package, do you think you're worthy of 3 to 4 LPA? You
no,
can
no,
get
definitely not.
much, much more than that, Piyush. And just to share, one candidate after doing engineering went to US Gannon University. Forget about COVID. COVID is not a very, I'll say, a stable phase which is going to disrupt the system. So everybody is proceeding
Yes.
further with safety norms, right? So important
Right.
is we
Definitely.
focus on the growth and the opportunities. That is more important because we all are educated lot, and we cannot be at our places and restrict ourselves. So what is
Yes.
important, Piyush? I'm just talking about one program, US Gannon University. You can note down. Now, the boy, after doing engineering, he went to Gannon University for MBA program. And this was
Hmm.
having 50% credit for engineering and 50 for management. Okay.
Okay.
And after completing the program, the boy got placement worth rupees $100,000. You can
100,000. Yes.
understand $100,000. Okay,
Yes,
because
it's
that
around
is
75 lakhs in
ex-
Indian currency.
that exactly. So, what is the beauty of the program? When I talk to students, I'm a bit offended at times when they say, "No, I'm Indian, India because I'm a patriot." So, just
No,
understand.
this is not the point for me.
Right. No, Piyush, because see, what is important to understand, once you're leaving Jharkhand, you are either in Delhi or Neemrana or any XYZ places, or maybe Rajasthan for your BTech program. You have left your place and you are outside your comfort zone. So when
Yes,
you're
ma'am. I am
outside your
out.
comfort zone, how it is going to give impact, whether it is India or abroad. So ultimately, if it is your focus to go for MBA program, you should go and experience a diverse culture and take that as a challenge and a learning phase. And ultimately, you're groomed up to go through that and get best in the industry. Okay.
Yes.
So Piyush, I'll guide that you should keep both the options open, because at times students are going abroad, but they don't have good academic scores. And trust me on that, any engineer with 90% plus, if sits in the placement drive, he or she is going to outshine and crack best placements, because nobody can beat your knowledge, because you have gone through rigorous teaching practices, right?
Yes.
So Piyush, now coming to your entrance exams, what exactly are the entrance exams which you have given? Just share your scores.
For what examinations entrance?
For MBA, you must have given your CAT, right?
Yes, ma'am. I gave CAT one time only, just for the understanding of the situation of the papers, and I
Okay.
didn't go quite score quite well because I
How
was working. I
much?
was not studying.
No, no
It
worries.
was
How much did you score?
around 40%.
40,
Means
40%.
exactly
I
I
think it
didn't
is
know.
40 percentile, and I believe it was very disheartening for you because you must have never got the score, right?
Yes,
Oh,
definitely.
okay. No, no worries. Any other entrance
No,
exam you've given, Piyush?
no, ma'am.
Okay, so Piyush, now coming to the important, that is your preferences. Let's talk that. But before that, it
Yes,
is important to understand. Please write down journey of a CAT aspirant. This is journey of all the 2.5 lakh people in India at a major scale, I'll say. Okay. So what
yes,
exactly happens? A candidate X goes for coaching. The first header is coaching program. So coaching may be
yes,
Times or Career Launcher, any XYZ. It's 60 to 80,000 in general all across country. Okay.
yes. 60,000.
After going, and that is during your coaching, you're investing 365 days. Please mention that. It's not only money, it's
Yes,
time also. And
time
in
is
your,
very important.
yes. And second header is your lodging boarding. When you're staying outside, something around 1.5 lakh you invest in your lodging boarding in general. Okay.
Yes,
The third header is your entrance exams. When I say entrance exams, you have given only CAT, but people are, crazy after all the scenarios. They go for
yes.
CAT,
Every
MAT,
exam.
ZAT, SNAP, and Maharashtra entrance, and, South entrance, everywhere. So
Everywhere.
ultimately going for, exactly, because you try your luck. And see, I don't blame the youngsters. They try their good luck. So once you're going
Yes,
for entrance exams, there is an application cost for all the
yes,
forms you fill,
definitely.
and you
Yes,
travel
and
to the
after that for the
destination.
college also.
Yes, you travel to the destination. Let us say a
Yes,
boy in Delhi goes for Maharashtra government colleges. You fly to Maharashtra, maybe you travel to Maharashtra, right?
yes,
So
yes, yes.
ultimately, let us say in general, 30,000 you spend in hunt of the entrance exams and the centers and giving your exams. Because if you go somewhere to give your exam, you have to stay in hotel, right?
Yes,
So let us say 30,000 you spend in your entrance exam. Now the last component is your colleges. Now once you get your
yes.
CAT
We have to
percentile,
spend
let us
also.
say, right, 40 to 50 percentile, you apply in dozen of colleges. Application cost.
Yes, ma'am.
Again,
Every college is around 1,000 average. I can see.
average 1,000, it goes to 2,000, 25, 22, any amount. And if it is abroad, it
Yes,
is in dollars. So going for college form filling, visiting the college, going for your PIGD rounds. So ultimately, let us say 30,000 once again for your college application
once
and the
again.
visits. So what
Yes,
is in
definitely.
totality? It is going to be 2.9 lakh in general.
Uh,
Okay.
yes,
So
cat
this
is
is journey. That
expensive.
is a journey of every CAT aspirant, Piyush.
Yes,
Means whether you want or you don't want, you are investing 3 lakhs towards the uncertainty. Okay.
yes. I
Correct
am
me
very
if I'm
aware about
wrong.
that. No, no, I am very
Okay.
aware about it.
So ultimately, this is uncertainty. Okay. Now, what we are going to discuss, it is certain. Okay. Now, what exactly we do, we go with some preferences of yours. So Pratik, would you help me? What exactly you have shared the preferences and what Piyush was comfortable with?
For sure, ma'am. Ma'am, I share, actually he is interested in SPGen Global, if I'm not wrong, Piyush. And I also
Yes.
share IFIM Bangalore, IMI Kolkata, GKDY Patil, Universal Genesis Business School Mumbai, and School of Inspired Leadership Gurugram to him.
Perfectly okay. Thank you. Thank you very much, Pratik. So Piyush, coming to you now, what specialization you're looking for in your MBA program?
Operations, major and minorly marketing.
Okay. Now, Piyush, if you go by my version, because you have already given 2.5 years to your corporate culture and you have not been able to meet the finances, okay? So if you are, see, operations, because you belong to mechanical background and you feel that I'm good in, that is why operations,
Yes, ma'am,
right? But
Yes.
ultimately what is important, you have to see which program is giving me best placements. That should be your focus.
That is
Very
also,
important.
yes.
So in this regard,
Because
I'll
in my
suggest,
first year of working experience, I was doing marketing also. That's why I
okay,
chose marketing as a minor subject.
okay, perfectly okay. So now what is important, Piyush, if I say finance
Yes.
as your major and operations as your minor, I am saying this, finance is something which is going to give you great placements, okay? And what exactly is demand of finance? A good mathematics, okay? A good IQ level and a sharp brain. So you are blessed by everything, okay? As a science and as an engineering graduate, and with this placement, you will get the highest possible scale, number one, okay? Operations is your liking, so you can go as your minor, I'll suggest. Why not marketing? Because now let's understand COVID-19. Do you think marketing guys are having the job in hand? They are not. People, those who are sitting with laptop and systems and they're working digitally, they're outshining.
Digital
Okay.
marketing.
So marketing is there. You can anytime switch over. That is not the concern. But what I'm talking is to crack the best placements. So what is important now? SPGen Global India, that is perfectly okay. I'll be taking this as one of the preference and I'm glad to recommend you for this. Because we don't recommend every candidate, but after going through your journey, I'm glad to do this. So yes, SPGen Global is possible, and that too within 7 to 10 days, you will be concluding the process. So you will be reaching out with your offer letters without fail, okay? But there is a tedious process which you are supposed to go through. But before that, you need to understand, I'll suggest Piyush, you should also go for UK options, okay? Why I'm sharing UK?
Okay.
When I say, see, your CAT percentile is not going to help you for IIMs, right? But UK,
Yes, that's
let
right.
me talk, even top 200 colleges at global level, they are having global ranking much, much better than the IIMs in India. Okay?
Yes. There is that.
Because
There are so many colleges.
there
I am
are
not.
many
I
good
am is
colleges.
not in the top in the global list. It is
Right.
right.
So what is important?